In this video, I'll show you how to make a playlist on YouTube. So let's start. To make a playlist on YouTube, you need to click on your profile picture in the top right corner to open the drop-down menu. Then into the drop-down menu, go to the YouTube Studio. Once you open the YouTube Studio, go to Playlists. Into the Channel Playlists menu are all your previously created playlists. To create a new playlist, press on New Playlist in the upper right corner. Then in the playlist title field, add your playlist name. And then choose the visibility. You can make your playlist public, private, or unlisted. Once you choose your playlist visibility, press on Create. Now your playlist is created. Now you need to add a description and videos. Just press on Edit on YouTube to open your playlist. Then here add your description. Once you add the description, press on the three dots menu and press on Add Video to add your videos. Or you can add directly from your channel content. Just find the related videos with your playlist and open it. Then press on the playlist section, and here will appear all your created playlists. Just choose the related playlist. Once you choose the playlist, press on Save in the upper right corner. Now your playlist is created and your videos have been added. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.